Hi. Okay, so just thought I'd like pop on and just make a quick video. So I finally made it to a Husky. So I'm actually staying at an Airbnb. That's why you might hear some echoing. I haven't found a place to stay here yet. So I'm trying to do the commute and honestly, it's getting a little hard. I don't think it's going to be sustainable, to be perfectly honest. But in the meantime, until I find a solution, Dr. Jones set me up with this great Airbnb. So I'm here. I'm going to be doing a night shift, and then I have two 24-hour shifts coming up. Right now, I'm going to be taking you guys with me on my 12 hours of night shift in a rural emergency department. I'm going to try to film as much as I can, but I'll be honest, it's a little bit harder to film just because it's a much smaller emergency department. So as a result of that, it's harder. Well, I have to be more cognizant of how I'm filming to avoid getting, people in my shots and violating any HIPAA rules. So I'm gonna try. It's a little bit harder, but I'm gonna do my best to give you guys an idea. So far, senior year, I can't believe it's like way done the first month of being a senior. Second year, yeah, I don't know. I think there's just been so much going on my end, so I haven't really had a time to really process that. So yeah, this whole month is emergency department and clinic, and our emergency department is in our rural sites. So yeah, that's what it is. It's pretty cool. The Airbnb I'm at is like literally 2 minutes away, so I'll take you guys along with me. All right, so I think we should probably head over, although it's literally a 3-minute walk, so I guess I have a little bit more time. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll take you guys with me on my two 24-hour shifts back to back. Hi guys, okay, so in this video I'm going to be trying to show you some snacks and stuff that work for me to help me stay awake during my 12 hours of night shift. I have a few minutes before I have to head out, but here are some tips on how to stay energetic during night shift. So this is my lunchbox, okay? I just got this one actually from Sam's Club, and it's like a pretty heavy duty one. This is my first time trying it out. I think the one I had before wasn't that effective, and this is great for like 12 hours, and hopefully it's going to be great for my 24-hour shift. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. So this is how big it is. I have a little ice pack to keep things cool, some rice cakes lightly salted, and this is some Indian food with some brown rice and vegetables. This is cauliflower and spinach. And then I have some cookies to keep me happy. But that's what I have right now in my lunchbox. I'm gonna go through the rationale for the other stuff. So this is like a typical haul for night shift, 24-hour shift. So this is from For Life. It's also from Sam's Club. It has 30 grams of protein and only 2 grams of sugar, and it's 150 calories. So this is it tastes really good too, so it's a great way to make sure you have high levels of protein and low sugar levels, so you can prevent that crash. Your cheese is always good too as a little snack. I always like little rice cakes. They're 60 calories per cake, and typically try to have like maybe 2, and it's whole grain, so it's a good way to keep snacking. And then I really, if you can't tell, love chocolate. So I personally like the plant-based protein, so I got the chocolate flavor. This company is really great. At least for me, it doesn't cause me any upset stomach. So that's what I use, and I typically try to just make sure that I put 1 scoop in, take some water, and that way I can maintain my protein levels throughout the night. And here's also some keto. I'm not doing keto, but I try to decrease the amount of carbs I take in because I personally end up having like a sugar crash, and I've done it many a times before. So I try to minimize the amount of the amount of carbs that I take in, just to maintain peak energy level. This has coconut flakes, and just generally nuts and cheese are a great way to maintain energy levels. I also like, for quick, easy things to make, you have pasta with cauliflower. This is not my usual go-to. I usually go with like this edamame pasta that I love. It tastes great, high protein again, and it also like makes me happy. And then this sauce, I think personally tastes really good. That's what I use. And it's always important to stay hydrated, so I always take my water bottle. I have my Yeti mug with my coffee because I am a coffee addict. And I'm trying this new thing, 0 sugar French vanilla. Normally I don't usually have it, but The coffee in a Husky is not that great, sorry. Just it had to be said. So I need to make it a little bit more delectable. But typically I would normally have sugar-free vanilla syrup and almond milk. But yeah, this is I think a lot faster. But it's just faster and easier to take rather than taking multiple things. So yeah, these like Kind mini bars. To be honest, like they're 90 calories, and I wouldn't say they're really that bad for you, and they're only 3 grams of sugar. Generally, I would say this is more like a treat than like an actual healthy thing. Just FYI. So here we are. This is my final product for all the snacks I'm gonna have overnight.